Elevate your Temu shopping game by mastering the art of the wishlist. Euro your secret weapon for organized shopping and savvy savings. First things first, let's get you logged into your Temu account. Tap on the profile icon, usually found at the bottom right corner of your screen. On your profile page, you'll see a variety of options. Look for and tap on the wishlist option. If you haven't created a wishlist yet, Temu will prompt you to create one automatically when you first tap this. Now, for the fun part, browse through Temu's amazing selection of products. When you find something you love, look for the heart icon, usually located near the product image or title. Tap that heart to add the item to your wish list. As you add more items, they'll all appear neatly organized within your wish list. This is where you can keep track of all your must-have items without cluttering your main cart. Want to share your finds with friends and family or ask for gift ideas? Tap the share icon on your wish list page. You can then send a link to your wish list via your favorite messaging apps. The wish list is also a fantastic tool for monitoring prices. Temu often notifies you if an item on your wish list goes on sale, helping you snag those deals. Remember, you can add items to your wish list directly from product listings or even search results pages by simply tapping the heart icon. And that's it. With your Temu wishlist set up, you're all set to shop smarter, save more, and never forget that perfect item again.